안녕하세요 친구들, Jham입니다. 내 채널 다시 오신 것을 환영합니다. It's been such a long time since I did a K-drama / K-pop inspired nail art. And finally, I did another. And this is my very first K-drama inspired nail art for 2021. And it's inspired by the hit K-drama of 2020, Startup. I prepared these colors for my base. We have a nude shade for my thumb and index nail, orange for my middle nail, white for my ring nail, and sky blue for my pinky nail. So for my index nail, I'm planning on painting the word sandbox. I'm painting it vertically with a white acrylic paint and a nail art brush. After that, I painted it with colors. I resembled the shades of these letters with this picture. Now let's move on to my middle nail. I'm painting the girl on the swing. I'm so sorry if I can't show you the whole painting process because it's kinda difficult to do it on camera. Plus, my nail art brush bumps to my phone that much, and it makes the camera to move a bit while filming. For my ring nail, I did Samsung Dex 3 triangle logo. As for my pink nail, I'm doing the birdhouse wherein Han Jin-pyong and So Dal-mi exchanged their letters. As for my thumbnail, I'm painting Startup's logo. And after all of that, I applied top coat. Which K-drama inspired nail art should I do next? If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. 그게 오늘이야 여러분. 다음 비디오에서 만나요. 안녕.